we're diving into the fascinating world of water science, especially focusing on hydrology and water in the environment. Hydraulics is more about the mechanics of water flow in man-made system of hydrology as the understanding how water behaves in nature, and hydraulics as how we control and direct in our cities and infrastructures.
So I will explain the hydrologic cycle. So hydrologic cycle is the same as what we have discussed on our elementary days. So same lang yun siya sa water cycle. So evaporation, liquid water changes into vapor. So kaning diri gikan sa water o change siya into gas galing ang clouds. And then the condensation, vapor condenses to create clouds na maroon siya clouds. And then after that, it will become the precipitation and becomes water and pour out siya of rain through the surface.
Regions experiencing abundant rainfall and other facing drought conditions like Egypt. So we need one. Next is infiltration and percolation. Precipitation of falls.
Ito kaya ang reason behind why precipitation amounts at a given location. Oftentimes, measurements from an individual's rain gauge are used to present precipitation conditions across larger areas. However, that isn't always the best assumption.